I got this soldering iron kit from the folks at gearbest.com. You can see the links in the video description. The kit comes with the soldering iron itself, of course, some soldering wire, a stand, and different tips for different kind of jobs. It works with butane gas that you can refill here using standard can of gas, and its operation is simple. You just plug in the tip that you want to use here, and this is the start button, and you can control the power here. Okay, let's try and solder something. In order to turn on the soldering iron, you move the knob and press the button. You have to wait a few seconds and then you can release the button. It is working now. Okay, so it works pretty well. Turn it off by moving the knob again to the left. You can also use it as a torch and you can melt aluminum and glass. You can see how it starts to melt